All right, our final math menu for this week is, again, going to be over number patterns, and it is going to be a bit more challenging. So after you have checked your appetizer, then you'll need to move on, and it's going to be a multiple choice. So you will have to identify the pattern and then apply it to find out which answer is correct. So first 10 multiples of 3. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Okay, again, we're looking at subtraction for this part of the pick a strategy and solve. There's more on the floor. I need to go next door. With 7 minus 5, I'm good, so I can do 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 is larger than 4, so I'm going to have to regroup. So 14 minus 8 is 6, and then 5 minus 2 is 3. For our multiplication, I need 4 columns. So I have a 4-digit number. I'm going to break that down to expanded form. So I have 7,653, and I'm going to multiply each of those by 5. So 5 times 7 is 35, 3 zeros. 5 times 6 is 30. Now don't get confused when we have this 0 here, because this actually doesn't count. I still need to add 2 additional zeros. And then 5 times 5 is 25, and 1 0, and then 5 times 3 is 15. And then I want to make sure that I line everything up correctly. So make sure that your ones columns all line up. See, I almost made a mistake there, because that's only 250. Now I had an empty spot. And then finally 15. And when I add 6, 2, 8, so I have 38,265. Okay, like I told you at the beginning of the video, this is going to be a bit more challenging today, because you are going to have to identify what the pattern is, and then see if you can find a similar pattern in the answers below. So for example, number 1, the teacher wrote the following numerical pattern on the board. I have 5, 11, 17, 23, 29. So you might just try one. So I'm thinking, okay, if I add 6, I get 11, so that one works. Does that same rule work here? That works. That works. And that works. So then I'm looking for a pattern where they add 6 each time. Okay? And then if you try a strategy and it doesn't work, then you'll need to move on to a different one.